Here's a crazy matter. Right, I'm here to do a unboxing on the ultra slim Anker wireless Bluetooth keyboard. So as you can see here, it's the Anker. This retail price is $79.99, but I managed to pick up an awesome deal off Amazon for $19.99. So right, let's just get in the box. Right, 126. Right. So and here we have what looks like the charger cable, and also the keyboard itself. So I think this works. Right. Right, so can drop the phone then. Right, give me 2 seconds. Let me just sort this out. Right, sorry about that. Right. So I'm gonna take off the stand. Right, so you got that there. Sorry about the shaky camera. Right, let me just take this out of the case. If I can get out of the case. So with one hand. Alright, that is out of the case, and I think it sits in just like that. So let's see, how do we turn this on? On. Right. And let's try and connect this. Right. So going through there and see settings. Right. Let's go to I'm not entirely sure how to connect this. Right. Bluetooth on. Searching for a device. And let's try. Right. 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 As you can see, right here. I don't know if you can see. Enter. Right. 9416 on the keyboard and press enter. Right, so I know you guys probably can't see that, but just see. Come on. I can't get this to pick up. Right. Right, you can kind of see. So you can see that that is now connected, and that's what the Anker wireless keyboard looks like. So yeah, if you guys are Anker watching this, be great if you could sponsor me for this. Maybe send me some free stuff, and I'll do more videos on it. But if you like, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.